Hi, welcome to my pottery channel. My name is Kalia and today I will show you how to make cookies. Now, these are not the type of cookies that we can eat, unfortunately, but more pieces of clay that can help us during our glaze firing process. So what are cookies exactly? They're simply a piece of clay that has been rolled out thinly, cut to any shape and to any size, that we can then use to place on our kiln shelf and then place a pot on top of that piece of clay. Now what that does is sometimes during our glaze firing, some glazes will run more than others, and in order to avoid that glaze from running all the way down onto our kiln shelf, we place a piece of cookie in between to help as a protective layer and help catch any glaze that may run over. So why is this important? Now it's important for two reasons. Firstly, kiln shelves, as many of you would know, are quite expensive, and we do want to make sure that that they can last as long as possible. That's one. The second reason is when you have glaze on top of a shelf, before you do the next glaze firing or any firing, you have to make sure that you clean that glaze off. Otherwise, when you place your next pot onto that glaze, the glaze will melt during the next firing and your pot will stick to that kiln shelf. So it's very, very important that you clean it off. Now the process of cleaning off the glaze of the shelf is quite time consuming and daunting, and something that we really do not want to have to spend our time on. Hence why we use the cookies to help with that. Should the glaze run on the piece, we can simply just discard this piece of clay, and our kiln shells are protected. So what will you need for this project? Here I have some clay that I have already rolled out. If you need further instructions on how to roll out your clay for your projects, I've got a video that I've recently uploaded on my channel, so please have a look at that. If not, there's plenty of videos as well on YouTube that you can find and that will help you with this process. Here I have different cookie cutters. I've got the round shapes. I like the round shapes, but you can have any shapes that you like. They're of different sizes. It's just that to help with pots of different sizes when I'm making them. And what you do, you simply just press those shapes down into the clay to cut the pieces to the desired size. And here we go. You can smooth out the edges just so that it doesn't hurt anyone during the firing, but not really necessary, really. So here we have the different cookies that we have placed on our board, and what we'll do, we'll let them dry out and then we will bisque fire them, and then we can use them in our glaze firing. I hope this video has helped. Thanks for watching and happy potting. See you next time.